Many people think there's really nothing you can do about snoring. That's simply not true. Studies show that targeted training of the tongue and throat muscles and the soft palate can significantly reduce snoring. And best of all, you don't need any devices. You can start straight away. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple exercises. Each one takes just a few seconds, and if you do them every day, your snoring will gradually reduce. Right, join in straight away. We're starting now. On to the first exercise. I'll call it the tongue push. Press your tongue firmly against the roof of your mouth as hard as you can and then slowly slide it backwards. Hold the tension for a full 2 seconds, then fully relax and repeat. I'll demonstrate that for you now. Right, press your tongue hard against the roof of your mouth, as hard as you can, then slowly push it backwards. Then hold the tension at the back for 2 seconds, then relax a little and then repeat it again. Do that 10 times. Why does this help? This exercise helps to really strengthen the tongue muscles. That's because when you sleep, your tongue often falls back and narrows or even blocks the airways. This can either cause persistent snoring or, in the worst case, obstructive sleep apnea itself. That's when you get breathing pauses because of it. With the training, your tongue muscles stay firmer and you can breathe more freely. The second exercise is a sort of syllable training. It might sound a little bit daft, but I actually find it really quite effective overall. You say certain syllables, pronouncing them exaggeratedly and very deliberately, fully emphasizing each. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. I'll say it once more. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. That means you pronounce those syllables exaggeratedly clearly, just as if you're in a great acting class. Do 5 reps of this. So what's the point? Your soft palate, that's the soft tissue at the back of your throat, gets exercised and strengthened. Right there in the palate area is often precisely where the typical snoring sounds come from, when the palate flutters. So the same palatal tissue starts moving like that. That's obviously mouth breathing. With training, the palatal tissue becomes more stable and flutters less. Exercise 3 is a classic tongue exercise. You should firmly stick your tongue out as far as you can, yes, really far, and then hold it there very steadily for 10 full seconds, completely still. So stick it out like that. Hold it steadily for 10 seconds. Then try to slowly move your tongue towards the tip of your nose or slightly downwards. So, like this. Or I can only move it up, or if it moves down for you, then like that, just as I showed now. Do that 3 times in a row. What does this exercise do? It primarily strengthens your tongue muscles slightly more than before. When you lie on your back, the tongue often falls backwards and narrows the airway, or even blocks it. Well-trained muscles at the base of your tongue stop that and keep your airways clear, even when you're lying on your back. So, for the 4th exercise, you'll need a balloon. You can get one at pretty much any homewares shop. So here's what you do. Blow it up once quite firmly, and do that twice in a row. It sounds simple, but you'll notice how demanding it is. In this exercise, not only do your lungs work, but also, as I just found out, the muscles in your mouth and throat. It's precisely this strengthening that helps to keep your airways more stable thanks to the now stronger muscles, so they don't collapse nearly as easily during the night. We've dubbed the last one the humming exercise, and it's exactly what it sounds like, just humming along together. Try that for about 30 seconds, and you'll feel your palate start to gently vibrate. The humming activates exactly the muscles that tend to relax during sleep, and thereby cause snoring. That's it. Just 5 simple exercises you can do anytime. The key is to keep at it consistently. Do them every day for at least 6 weeks. Most people notice within 2 to 3 weeks that their snoring gets noticeably quieter and their sleep feels more restful. Please do leave a comment to tell me if you joined in and which exercise worked best for you. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. We'll be sharing more exercises to help with snoring. Until then, sleep well and quietly.